the spider. Even the smallest bite from Arachnus dethicus will instantly paralyze. Oh!
What's up guys, it's Aiden, and Stormzy just released another song called Still Disappointed. If you haven't already seen my original remake of Stormzy's Disappointed, I'll leave a link to it up there if you want to check it out as well. So in this video I'm going to go through his song Still Disappointed, but I'll leave the FLP in the description if you want to check that out too. So first off we have the brass stab. And then to reverse it, I recorded it into Edison, and then I brought it back into my playlist, and then I hit normalize and reverse, and that creates this effect. For filters, I put on Parametric EQ2 and I got rid of some of the highs, and then I put on Fruity Reverb and I brought up the size and the wet. So this is the kick, which has been sidechained to the brass stab. And this is the loop it follows, and that plays throughout the song. Next up we have some more brass, which I created using a few different channels. Okay, so that was created using two different sounds. The first one was created on Omnisphere. It's the saw brass from the 80s. As for filters, I put on Soundgodizer, Maximus, and I brought up the stereo separation, Parametric EQ2, and I got rid of some of the lows, Fruity Blood Overdrive, and RC Retro Color. Then I also took this sample. For filters, I put on Parametric EQ2 and Retro Color. Then finally in the intro we have this clap loop, which is created using two different claps. And I brought the pan to the right on both of them. Then I put them on my mixer and I put on Soundgodizer and Maximus, and I brought up the stereo separation again. Then a hi-hat loop gets introduced. And that's this sound. Then the brass goes away and it introduces this sound that I created on Omnisphere, which is this is the buzzy reprisal. For filters, I put on Parametric EQ2 and I got rid of some of the lows and the highs. Fruity Blood Overdrive, and I brought up the preamp. And Soundgodizer. This is the other pattern that's being played. And that was created using two different versions of the Nexus. We have the BA Deep Saw. Then I put that on my mixer and I put on Parametric EQ2 and Fruity Blood Overdrive. And the preamp increases later on in the song. And the BA Dark Roll Bass 2. That's actually it for the instrumentals. There's not that much stuff to cover in this song. If you want a more detailed look at the arrangement, I'll leave the FLP in the description. Apart from that, I'll play a clip from the song now. Thanks for watching guys, I really appreciate it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time.